Good morning, students. We are going to start the new chapter AC circuit. AC circuit. In this chapter, we are going to consider the concept of the current that is passing through the resistive circuit, inductive circuit, capacitive circuit, and the combination of these two. And what do you mean by AC circuit? Alternating current. AC म्हणजे काय असतं? अल्टरनेटिंग करंट. जे आपल्या घरी लाईन असतं, जो करंट आपल्या घरातल्या लाईनमधून वाहतं त्याला आपण अल्टरनेटिंग करंट असं म्हणतो. आणि जो बॅटरीमधून करंट जातो त्याला आपण डायरेक्ट करंट असं पण म्हणतो. बरोबर नाही? आणि आपल्याला याच्यामध्ये रूट मीन स्क्वेअर व्हॅल्यू RMS रूट मीन square value of alternating current. रूट मीन स्क्वेअर व्हॅल्यू ऑफ अल्टरनेटिंग करंट हे आपल्याला या ठिकाणी बघायचं. रूट मीन स्क्वेअर व्हॅल्यू ऑफ अल्टरनेटिंग करंट इज दॅट steady current that is to be passing through the circuit which can possess the same amount of heat that is to be produces as the alternating current that is to be flowing through a external circuit. That is known as here the root mean square of alternating current, that is known as here the IRMS. That can be written as I0 upon root 2. What is I0? I0 is known as here the peak value of alternating current. Peak value of alternating current. Okay. तशाच प्रकारे ERMS. ERMS म्हणजे काय असतं? रूट मीन स्क्वेअर व्हॅल्यू ऑफ अल्टरनेटिंग EMF. रूट मीन square of alternating EMF. आता रूट मीन स्क्वेअर ऑफ अल्टरनेटिंग EMF is that steady EMF that is to be flows in the circuit which can produce the same amount of heat as the alternating EMF that is to be flowing through the circuit. That is known as here the root mean square value of alternating EMF. That is to be called as here the ERMS is called as here the E0 upon root 2. What is E0? E0 is called as here the peak value of alternating current. Alternating EMF here. Peak value of alternating EMF. So these are the two definitions that is to be get asked in the definition. What is ERMS and what is IRMS? Here we are going to consider the AC through whatever may be the alternating current that is to be flowing through the resistive circuit that we have to be considered. Next point, that is we are going to consider AC through resistive circuit. AC through resistive circuit. Here we are going to draw one resistance, and here there is one AC source that I am going to apply. I is equal to E is equal to here, that is E0 sine of omega t, that is the alternating EMF that is to be get flowing through the circuit here, and here I is the current that is to be get flowing, and R is the resistance. It is observed that here we know that E is equal to I into R. What is the value of I? I is equal to E upon R. You can get this value, that is E is equal to E0 sine of omega t upon r. So what is E0 upon r? E0 upon r, that is nothing but here the I0 into sine of omega t. I is equal to I0 sine of omega t. So it is observed that the value of E is equal to E0 sine of omega t and I is equal to I0 sine of omega t. It is observed that here whatever may be the value of alternating current and the alternating EMF which are having the same value. That means here we can say that whenever the alternating current that is to be flows through the AC circuit, that is resistive circuit here, there is no phase difference that is to be lies between the current and the voltage. Hence we can say that here if you plot the graph between the current and the voltage here, the nature of the graph that is to be found to be same. जसं आपण या ठिकाणी बघतो की this is the alternating EMF that I am going to show. The same graph that I can show the alternating current also. That means here the current and the voltage are in the same phase. As far as the phasor diagrams are concerned here, the whatever may be the current and the voltage that is are in the same direction. So there is no phase change. There is no phase change. Means here the phase change between the input and the output that is found to be same. That is equal to 0. Means here I is equal to I0 sine of omega t and E is equal to E0 sine of omega t. That is found to be same here. Okay. Now next that we are going to consider, that is AC through inductive circuit. आता आपल्याला बघायचं आहे या ठिकाणी की AC थ्रू इंडक्टिव्ह सर्किट म्हणजे नेमकं काय असतं. Inductive circuit or the alternating current that is to be flows through the inductor. What is the phase difference that is to be lies between the alternating current and the alternating EMF? मग आपण या ठिकाणी इथे दाखवत आहे की एक इंडक्टर कॉइल घेतला. Here we are going to consider the inductor coil and here the current that is to be flowing. L is the coefficient of self induction. L is the coefficient of self induction here. I is the current that is to be flowing. I is the current that is to be flowing here. So according to the definition of self induction here,